Hello and welcome to PMC Lounge. I want you to take a look at this clip. This is Jensen Huang talking about overall smartness, right? His thoughts on what he thinks are smart people, especially after the coming of AI. So definitely take a look.
Who's the smartest person you've ever met?
Who's the smartest person I've ever met? I can't answer that question. And I know what people are thinking. The definition of smart is somebody who's intelligent, solve problems, technical. But I find that that's a commodity. And we're about to prove that artificial intelligence is able to handle that part easiest.
Right.
Yeah. And so as it turns out, let me give you another example. Everybody thought software programming is the ultimate smart profession. Look, what is the first thing that AI is solving? Software programming. And so it turns out that the definition of smart is very different than most people think. I think long term, the definition of smart and my personal definition of smart is someone who sits at that intersection of being technically astute, but human empathy and having the ability to infer the unspoken, around the corners, the unknowables. You know, people who are able to see around corners are truly smart, and their value is incredible. To be able to preempt problems before they show up, just because you feel the vibe. And the vibe came from a combination of data analysis, first principle, life experience, wisdom, sensing other people. That vibe, that I think, that's smart. That I think is going to be the future definition of smart. And that person might actually score horribly on the SAT.
So he spoke of three things broadly. Number one is being technically astute and having human empathy, right? So someone with empathy and someone who knows the technicalities of what they are working on. Think about technical project managers. Think about domain specific project managers, right? Project managers working in construction, they know a lot about constructions. They are technically astute, and the nature of their job is such that they need to work with people. So they should naturally have empathy. The second thing that he spoke of was the ability to infer the unspoken, or the people who are able to see around the corners, right? People who can walk into a room, look around, sense the room. He's basically talking about stakeholder management, communications management. This is what project managers are good at. This is, I would say, the bread and butter of project managers. And then, number three, he also mentions to be able to preempt problems before they show up, right? That's a definition of risk management, to be precise. But he also said that this person, smart people, are able to do so because of a vibe, and vibe can translate to data, analysis, first principle, experience, wisdom, right? And sensing other people. So when you work with other people, you have a fair sense of what's up in the project, what the status of the project really is. He's talking about risk management. So, we as project managers, what should we derive out of this video clip? I would say having domain specific knowledge about the projects that you manage, being strong in stakeholder management, communications management, and then finally doing what makes you human, right? Trusting your gut feeling, trusting your own project management experience, and mixing that with all the theory, all the knowledge of risk management that we already have. I'm telling you, AI is only going to amplify the job that project managers do. We will be able to sort of focus more on the human side of project management and let AI be our co pilot, be our intern, right? Be our assistant that can help with the mechanical stuff, with the calculations, with the data analysis, right? And we can focus more on being more human. That's all in this one. Let me know what you think about AI and project management, and where is the project manager job role you see as going in the future in this era of AI. Definitely subscribe for more project management content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.